The development of the KX Busbar system commenced with a thorough analysis of existing busbar systems, incorporating feedback from customers and industry reports. Ease of alignment and assembly during installation were essential. To address this, we devised a special-shaped alignment system, subsequently patented, facilitating straightforward connection via a single bolt tightening. Its modular structure enables seamless assembly akin to building with Lego bricks. In the event of a fire, the system necessitated provisions for continued extinguishing system supply or sustained current flow. We utilized special materials capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius for extended periods. Our KX Busbar systems, totaling 25 units, have successfully passed all tests. The KX series, exported to over 100 countries, holds the CB certificate, proving that all tests have been conducted according to the IEC standard. We ensured the KX Busbar system's eco-friendly design, emphasizing its recyclability of up to 95%.